Hello guys, this is Ayesha Nazir. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to make fresh mango juice in a simple way. So without any delay, let's start the video. Here is what you will need for the juice. First, green fresh mangoes, green chilies, sugar, salt, cumin powder, rock salt or Himalayan pink salt. Here I have cut the mangoes in small pieces and putting them into the mixer or blender. Adding green chilies into it, adding sugar into the mixer. Then I'll add the salt, cumin powder and rock salt. Adding water. Then I will mix it for a while. You can also add some coriander leaves and lemon juice into it. It will add flavors to the juice. And make sure to check the description box for the quantity of the ingredients I am using here. You can add more or less sugar depending on how much sweet you want this juice to be. Now I am pouring this juice into the glass and serving it. Guys, I tell you, this mango juice is very refreshing. Make sure you try this at home and do let me know about it in the comment section. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for my latest videos. See you in my next videos. Till then, stay home, stay safe.